Hello everyone! Welcome to Money Views by Rodel. Today's episode, it's all about Bitcoin. Crypto enthusiasts became so crazy for the last few days. Why? Because Bitcoin reached a new milestone, new historical high price, over $66,000 per Bitcoin. Let's see what happened. And I'm gonna show you its chart, its direction, its trend for the short term and long term. Let's see, is it still the right time to invest in Bitcoin? Are we too late now? You'll find out. But first, let me give you the indicators of Bitcoin, and let me give you also the factors that push Bitcoin to its new high price. Let's check it out. All right, there you go. $66,930.39 per Bitcoin. It's new historical high price. What pushed this price? You'll find out later. And let's see what happens next. Okay, it went up, it shoot up to 66 because of good news. Later on, you'll know it. And then, what happens next? Of course, profit taking. As I mentioned in my last video, every time any asset, any stocks or crypto that reach new milestone, new historical high, definitely there will be profit taking. And of course, people will take their gains, profit. You know, it's already profit, so they have to take it. That's the main objective. So after it reached over $66,000, it went down to somewhere around, around $60,000 above as of today. Why? Because of its RSI. Remember, RSI, Relative Strength Index. This gives an indication whether an asset or a stock or a crypto is overbought or oversold. So in this case, it was too high. RSI reached over 70 points. So definitely, for those who are technically inclined in charting of any assets, they would recommend to sell because RSI is too high. So profit taking comes after. So this is the level where Bitcoin, or as far as Bitcoin price is concerned, like we are now hovering around $60,000 above to $62,000. So later on, I'll show you the consolidation phase. But as of now, this is the trend of RSI and this is the trend of the price. But let me give you what triggered for Bitcoin. US Securities and Exchange Commission approved the ProShares Bitcoin Futures Exchange Traded Funds. ProShares is a provider of ETF products which began trading of Bitcoin Strategy Fund last 19th October. So that's a few days ago. It's trading under the ticker BITO. It's the first Bitcoin ETF to trade in the US and globally. So let me share with you further what's an ETF all about, or particularly Bitcoin ETF. A Bitcoin ETF, like BITO, represents the price of the digital currency. It allows the crypto investors to buy ETF without trading Bitcoin itself. So if you are an individual crypto investor, you don't buy or sell the crypto or Bitcoin directly. You buy the shares of an ETF like BITO. So investing in a Bitcoin ETF is, like having a middleman removing any issues or complexities of storage and security procedure. So again, ETF is like a middleman. You buy the ETF shares, and this ETF shares fund manager they take care of the investment. So you just look whether this ETF price share is gaining or losing. Why? Because you don't buy the Bitcoin directly. So you don't worry about what digital platform are you going to use. You don't care about the security. You just monitor the ETF price per share. It's good for the others who doesn't want the nitty-gritty of trading or monitoring, because there's someone or like an entity, like an investment company that takes care of all these funds. And they don't only invest in Bitcoin. They diversify in a cryptocurrencies, okay? Different currencies in this ETF. So you don't worry about when to buy, when to sell. You just buy the ETF and they take care of it. But the only drawback that I can see if you're gonna invest in ETF is there is a possibility that if this ETF managers or fund managers will see that the Bitcoin price will go down, they could probably short sell. Okay, that's the disadvantage. All right, so that was the good news. The US Securities and Exchange Commission approved the first Bitcoin ETF. So to me, that gave credibility to Bitcoin and to all cryptocurrencies. So that is something good. So when it shoot up, I mean the Bitcoin, most of the cryptocurrencies followed. And I think there will be 2 more ETFs to be launched soon. Okay, so what's happening now? Bitcoin price is trading over $60,000 up to $61,000 US dollars. So this is what we call consolidation level. The consolidation level will be from $60,000 up to $65,000. When you speak of price consolidation of any asset or stocks or crypto, it's neither the price will go up nor it will go down. This is like a wait and see. If new trading opportunities emerge or new good news emerge, price will go up. However, if bad news will emerge, price will go down. So bottom line, it's a wait and see. This is where the price will hover around on this level. So still wait and see. But let me give my brave and bold forecast. Again, I'm not asking you to buy now. Disclaimer, this is just based on the technical chart. This is based on my interpretation. Okay, this is the trend now. This trend will continue its upswing if good news will continue to emerge. Okay, this is the trend. This will be the support. This will be the upswing. So if, again, may I repeat, this trend will continue if good news continue to emerge. So as of now, you see it somewhere in $60,000 above. So if more good news will come in the next months or until early next year, then we see Bitcoin at this price level. However, if there will be bad news in the next coming months, this is going to be the trend. You will see the price somewhere here. Below 60,000, of course. So it's like a wait and see. Anyway, we can still say that cryptocurrencies overall is still in development stage. It's still in adoption stage. So a lot of things can happen. So I'm giving you the 2 phases, or shall we say 2 possible scenarios in the next coming months. But hopefully, more good news will come. So again, for those of you who would like to invest in cryptocurrency or Bitcoin particularly, invest the money that you are willing to lose. Do not put all your savings, okay? Because price is still highly volatile. So you don't invest all your money. Just invest something that you are willing to lose. If the price goes up, that means you'll gain. Great. If the price goes down, then you lose some money, then you won't be hurt so much because you didn't put all your money. So again, disclaimer, I'm not connected in any cryptocurrency digital platform or any blockchain companies, but this is just my interpretation of the technical chart, just the way of giving my advices, and we can also say for entertainment purposes only. But again, there's always good in any investments. Let's look on the future. Digitalization of currencies are coming whether we like it or not. This is Rodel Del Mundo from Money Views. Thank you for listening. Until next time, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Money Views by Rodel, and click the notification bell. Thank you.